How you doing, viewer? I am in Orlando, Florida, and it's just funny. I used to live in California, and people complain about the humidity, and even Floridians complain about the heat nowadays since the shot time. You know, so they complain about when there's rain coming. But it's just funny to me that everybody's gonna bitch and complain about the weather that provides us with all we need. I mean, homeless people or people that stink outside, work outside, they get a nice little bath or a shower. Then people's gardens grow. There's a lot of things that happen when it rains. And remember, you as a child loved playing in the rain. One, to defy your parents. Two, because it felt warm and cold. Again, it's funny to me, everybody bitches and complains about the weather when we need this weather for things to survive. Look at the trees that I'm aiming my camera at. See how healthy these trees are against that one. And nature does another great thing is gets rid of the trees that has a high static electricity with. So much clearing up over there. But yeah, I enjoy watching the rain. If I could, if I had I might work, it'd be standing right there in the middle of it with a little shelter so I can watch the rain in a clear tent or whatever. But I had a cousin who visually impaired or couldn't see or blind as a bat, born that way, which he taught me to listen to the weather. So thanks for letting me ramble on and enjoy watching the rain here in Florida. Florida rainstorm. Looks like hurricane season there.
Somebody say you want to drive there right now. They ain't telling this type of shit going down. make some type